Our teacher once discussed in our class about Wonderland. I wish we can go and explore Wonderland. Wow, I can imagine how wonderful our trip would be. Let's go. Yes, first we shall explore the beauty of nature, that is in the land of colors.
With tiny steps and curious eyes, Essenites travel far and wide. From here they go hand in hand to a bright and cheerful land of colors. And just like that, the imagination of Essenites paints the stage with nature's most beautiful shades. Get ready to step into the land of colors where music, dance, and every shade comes alive.
Colors make the world so fun. Sing the rainbow, everyone. Blue like the sky or the ocean deep. Purple like flowers where butterflies sleep. Pink like cotton candy, soft and sweet.
So many colors play up high. So many colors touch the sky. So many colors.
Wow!
In a rainbow cheer. Now sing with me. Come on now. Red, green, yellow, blue. Orange, pink,
What
purple,
lovely hand movements.
red, green, yellow, blue. Orange, pink, purple, too.
Presentation by our Upper KG B students. They will be presenting a skit titled
Hello friends, I am Cloud. I live up in the sky. One day, after the rain, something magical happens. Do you know what it is? A rainbow appears. Let's see, my colorful friends are ready to shine. Come on, colors, it's time to play.
Colors all around, everywhere you go. Colors way high, colors way low. Colors all around, for us all to see. Make this world a brighter place for you and me. Colors all around, everywhere you go. Colors way high, colors way low. Colors all around.
Up and down and move your body round and round in a rainbow trail. Shake up and down and move your body round and round. So many colors join as one. So many.
just like a rainbow. A conversation between the Essenites.
It was wow! It was a beautiful world of colors, and the rainbow was like a lovely garden of colors. Garden? Oh, I got it. You mean we will be visiting the garden now? Yes, Kulsum. We will be visiting the land of beautiful flowers. Wow! We will enjoy the lovely fragrance of flowers all around the garden. And let's also meet the king of flowers and his friends.
And just like that, dear audience, our magical journey in Essenites in Wonderland takes us into a world filled
Rose says I'm red and sweet. Lily says I'm white and neat. Sunflower looks at the sun so high. Together we paint the big blue sky. Flowers teach us every day to smile, love in every way. Be kind, be bright, be true. That's what flowers always I wish we could see them. But where can we find them, friends? Of course, in Fairyland, my friends. Really? Anna, that's a brilliant idea. Let's enter the magic world of Fairyland to see what is going on there.
Dear audience, fasten your imagination because
Did you see? Even a small fairy was so brave and helpful. So why can't we be helpful to others? Yes, we should also be brave and helpful to people in the world to make it magical. Friends, did you know the world we live in, that is small part of the universe? I do know that the world is a small part of the universe, but I would like to know how big our universe is. What are we waiting for, friends? Let us visit the universe and explore the wonderful creation of God Almighty.
let us welcome the students of lower KG as they present a powerful message.
एक है जमीन, एक ही है जमीन।
देख लो कहीं इसकी जैसी कोई दूजी है नहीं।
ओ एक ही मौका इसको भला भी। Only one earth,
One message,
इसकी उसकी ये जमीन है सबकी। Only one earth,
one precious planet.
जंगलों की मिट्टी की पलक की।
only one earth, ठोकरों से तुम ये सारा ये जमीन भी लगती। Only one earth,
थाम लो कमान देखो नई जमीन झुलसती।
only one earth,
ओ, ओ, ओ।
तेरी मेरी पंछियों की बोलियां
फिर से अब गूंजेगी इन फिजाओं में।
बारिशों की बूंदें झरने झील नदियां
जिंदगी फिर लुटाएगी।
only one earth for me and you and him and her and all of us together only one earth
This is the only place we have, believe me, there's no.
That was an amazing sight. Yes, Abhiha, I am still reeling from the magnificence of the cosmic science. Friends, did you know the world we live in, that is, we should be thankful to the Almighty Allah for the beautiful world and universe we live in. True, but do you know which is the most precious gift which the Almighty Allah has blessed us with in this world? Nature? No. Friends? No. Food? No, no, no. You are always thinking about food. Our parents are dear beloved parents. इस बात पे एक शेर याद आ गया। इशार इशार, माँ बाप सबसे बड़ी नेमत है, रहमत है, अजमत है, अल्लाह की इनायत है, कर लो इनको राजी, यही हमारी जन्नत है। वाह 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 वाह। Let's hear what our friends have to say about our parents.
माँ बाप सबसे बड़ी नेमत है, रहमत है, अजमत है, अल्लाह की इनायत है, कर लो इनको राजी, यही हमारी जन्नत है. Clap for them, dear parents.
ربياني صغيرا मेरे मौला मेरे माँ बाप पर रहमत अता फरमा करूँ हर हाल में उनकी मुझे खिदमत अता फरमा मेरे मौला मेरे माँ बाप पर रहमत अता फरमा करूँ हर हाल में उनकी मुझे खिदमत अता फरमा जहाँ की इशरतें सारी बिछा लूं उनके कदमों में छुपी आसाइशें चुन कर सजा लूं उनके कदमों में, जहाँ की इशरतें सारी बिछा लूं उनके कदमों में, छुपी आसाइशी चूमकर सजा लूं उनके कदमों में। सुबह से शाम दिन से रात तक नौबत अता फरमा, करूं हर हाल में उनकी मुझे खिदमत अता फरमा। मेरे मौला मेरे माँ बाप पर रहमत, मुझे खिदमत अता फरमा। ये तकलीफ सीने में हमेशा मुस्कुराते, अश्क की भी वो वजह हल्की बताते हैं। ये तकलीफ सीने में हमेशा मुस्कुरा, सख्त लहजे में छुपा उल्फत नहीं सकते, मेरी हर बात से उनको वही राहत अता फरमा। करूं हर हाल में उनकी मुझे खिदमत अता फरमा। मेरे मौला मेरे माँ बाप पर रहमत अता फरमा, में उनकी मुझे खिदमत अता फरमा। मेरे माँ
Have a wonderful time in Wonderland? Yes, yes, yes. We hope you enjoyed Wonderland as much as we. Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye.
Hope you all enjoyed the SNIs in Wonderland. If yes, then a huge round of applause for them. To propose the vote of thanks and express heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to the success of today's event.
A very good morning to everyone. We thank the Almighty Allah for His blessing which made today's program a success. We express our special thanks to our director, Mrs. Sultana Nazirul Hassan, for being our guiding light and for inspiring all of us with her leadership. We also thank our respected Deputy Director and her mistress, Mrs. Ashia Sultana. Thank you, ma'am, for always guiding us, motivating us and encouraging us to do our best. Thank you, ma'am.